Welcome back to Trojan. So you want to copy trade, but don't know where to start? Luckily, Trojan's got you covered. Our wallet analyzer gives you a full breakdown of any wallet's trading performance, whether it's a top trader you're watching or just some random wallet that piqued your curiosity. Let's plug an address in and see it in action. Right away, you'll see key insights in the top left: total P&L, win rate, and how that wallet's performance has shifted over time. You can toggle between 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and 30 days right up here. Let's switch to 30 days. Yeah, now the picture comes into focus. In the center, you've got the fundamentals: balances, trading volume, and how much that wallet is spending. Over to the right is one of the most important sections: P&L distribution. This shows how their gains and losses are spread out over time. Why does that matter? Because it tells you if their success came from one massive win or from a pattern of steady, disciplined plays. Tap View Distribution to dive deeper. Filter by P&L ranges, or click the graph up top for a clearer breakdown. Scroll down to see their open positions, or jump into activity to check their latest moves and recent P&Ls. If you like what you're seeing and want to keep tabs, hit Track Wallet. Want to take it a step further and mirror their moves? Tap Copy Trade and the window opens with their address already pre-filled. And if you'd rather analyze one of your own wallets, just tap My Wallets for a clean, instant breakdown of your personal performance. There you have it, the Wallet Analyzer, turning raw wallet data into your next smart move. Give it a try, and as always, I'll see you in the trenches.